Poem A Roadside Stand. Poet Robert Frost. Theme Rural urban divide, social injustice, and the longing for dignity. Text of the poem. The little old house was out with a little new shed in front at the edge of the road where the traffic sped, a roadside stand that too pathetically pled. It would not be fair to say for a dole of bread, but for some of the money, the cash, whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. The polished traffic passed with a mind ahead, or if ever aside a moment, then out of sorts at having the landscape marred with the artless paint of signs that were then turned wrong and as turned wrong offered for sale wild berries in wooden quarts, or crook-necked golden squash with silver worts, or beauty rest in a mountain scene. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, why keep your money this grossly and go along? The hurt to the scenery wouldn't be my complaint so much as the trusting sorrow of what is unsaid. Here, far from the city, we make a roadside stand and ask for some city money to feel in hand to try if it will not make our being expand and give us the life of the moving pictures promise that the party in power is said to be keeping from us. It is in the news that all these pitiful kin are to be brought out and mercifully gathered in to live in villages next to the theatre and the store, where they won't have to think for themselves anymore, while greedy gooders, beneficent beasts of prey, swarm over their lives enforcing benefits that are calculated to soothe them out of their wits, and by teaching them how to sleep they sleep all day, destroy their sleeping at night the ancient way. Sometimes I feel myself I can hardly bear the thought of so much childish longing in vain, the sadness that lurks near the open window there, that waits all day in almost open prayer for the squeal of brakes, the sound of a stopping car, of all the thousand selfish cars that pass, just one to inquire what a farmer's prices are. It is in vain, the roadside stand and the sadness stay forlornly waiting all day in the noise of traffic. It sometimes seems as if the most cruel thing to do was to put these people in the world and let them stay to pine for the happiness that never comes their way. Heaven grants even to those who would not mend. Heaven grants even to those who would not mend. The poet concludes with a deep sigh and prayer that all these rural poor may find peace and fair share.